Do you know there are places in space where even the most advanced spaceships can be destroyed in an instant? Massive storms, deadly radiation, and unimaginable cold could mean the end of a mission at any moment. But what is hidden in these dangerous places that scientists are willing to take such risks? In this video, we take you on an amazing journey to the deadliest places in space and reveal their terrifying secrets. Number 1 on this list is pretty cool. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 10. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm 1.3 times the diameter of Earth that has been active for hundreds of years. Winds with a speed of more than 400 kilometers per hour blow in this storm and surround its entire space. This storm is so stable and big that sending any kind of spacecraft into it will bring the death of the devices. Nothing can withstand the unique power of this storm. Number 9. Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, is a massive natural structure with a height of over 22 kilometers and a diameter of 600 kilometers. Although this volcano appears to be dormant, the presence of such a large mass of frozen lava and old volcanic flows suggests that if it were to become active, it could cover the surface of Mars and pose a serious threat to space missions. The steep slopes of this volcano also create serious challenges. Number 8. Io, Jupiter's moon, is full of incredible volcanic activity. The surface of this moon is covered with active volcanoes that throw extremely hot molten material and sulfur up to a height of 500 kilometers into space. These eruptions are very persistent and intense, and any probe that gets close to Io's surface is at risk of being destroyed by the hot volcanic material. Number 7. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Its surface temperature reaches more than 462 degrees Celsius, which is enough to melt lead metal. The atmospheric pressure of this planet is also 90 times that of Earth, so if a spacecraft reaches the surface of Venus, it will be crushed. Also, the atmosphere of this planet is full of sulfuric acid, which is highly corrosive. Number 6. Neptune has severe storms that travel at speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. These winds are the fastest known in the solar system and can destroy any spacecraft that approaches Neptune's surface. These conditions make it almost impossible to travel to the surface of this planet. Number 5. Saturn's rings are made up of millions of ice and rock particles that orbit the planet at very high speeds. Although they look beautiful from a distance, collisions with these particles can cause serious damage to spacecraft. No vehicle can withstand repeated collisions with these high-speed particles, which makes Saturn's rings a very dangerous area for space probes. Do you want to know more and more about the unknowns of the world? So be sure to subscribe and like this video. Number 4. Titan is Saturn's largest moon and the only body in the solar system other than Earth to have liquid surface lakes. Titan's surface temperature averages around minus 179 degrees Celsius, so cold that gases such as methane and ethane are in liquid form. These lakes, with their large volumes of toxic and flammable materials, can create a very dangerous environment for explorers and space equipment. Number 3. Due to its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has been hit hard by meteorites and small asteroids throughout history. These collisions have left huge craters on the surface of this planet, the largest of which is known as the Caloris crater with a diameter of 1,550 kilometers. Extreme temperature difference between day and night on this planet is from negative 173 degrees to 427 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Venus has a thick atmosphere made of carbon dioxide. These clouds are highly corrosive and can quickly destroy metals and space equipment. No spacecraft can withstand this toxic atmosphere for long. Atmospheric pressure on the surface of Venus is 90 times that of Earth's atmosphere, and its temperature reaches more than 462 degrees Celsius. Number 1. Now it's time to explain the most interesting thing every night. At night, we see holes in the moon. The moon's surface is full of impact craters created by meteorite collisions over billions of years. Moon craters are due to extreme temperature changes from negative 173 degrees Celsius at night up to 127 degrees Celsius during the day. They create a very harsh environment for astronauts. Falling into these craters creates irreparable risks.